Hi everybody, greetings from America. My name is Melissa Sherman, and it is my pleasure to introduce you today to MOBILion Systems Inc. We are developing instrumentation to revolutionize proteomics and biomarker discovery and to significantly improve how we predict, diagnose, and treat disease. For the next few minutes, I would like to take you on our journey. It starts with the human genome. It was one of the greatest discoveries of modern science, the roadmap to understanding the human body, providing insight into predicting, diagnosing, and treating disease. But it was only the beginning. The genome can only tell us so much. It only gives us part of the story. We need to look beyond genomics to proteins and proteomics, which is the study of proteins. So very simply speaking, DNA makes RNA, which makes proteins. For every gene in a strand of DNA, we have thousands of proteins in our bodies. Proteins function by telling cells what to do: multiply, heal, live, or die. It is more commonly proteins that dictate the varying behavior between a diseased and healthy cell. In fact, it's usually proteins that tell our bodies whether to be healthy or to be sick. If we are going to make a significant advancement in disease prediction, diagnosis, and treatment, it relies on our understanding of proteins. The problem is, right now, we cannot efficiently identify the vast majority of them. Today's instruments are too slow, too complex, and fail to detect the minor structural differences between proteins and related molecules. This is really important, so I want to stress it again. It is most often very small differences between molecules that determine healthy state versus disease state, or on-target therapeutic versus off-target side effect. Today's instruments lack the sensitivity and resolution to be able to detect many of these very small differences. But we found the solution. Introducing SLIM technology by MOBILion. SLIM stands for Structures for Lossless Ion Manipulation. By applying electric fields between two parallel printed circuit boards, we can move ions where we want them, even around corners. We can keep ionized molecules where we need them in a completely lossless system, and we can move ions nearly endless distances. This fundamental capability of lossless ion manipulation is what enables us to develop instruments with unprecedented detection power, and all in a remarkably small footprint. SLIM instruments can detect minute traces of biologic molecules that until now were impossible to see, and best of all, measurements take minutes instead of hours. So if you needed to analyze over 1,000 ovarian cancer tumor samples, it would take conventional instruments 1 year. It would take SLIM 2 days. This leads to the discovery of disease-specific biomarkers that current instruments lack the analytical ability to detect, and we can do it all in a reasonable amount of time. Imagine earlier disease diagnosis for more accurate, accessible, and rapid clinical diagnostics. Imagine better therapeutics with more informative and faster drug discovery studies. Imagine attacking diseases like cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's at their roots instead of their symptoms. Join us. Be a part of the solution. The faster we move, the faster breakthroughs are made. The closer we become to delivering personalized medicine treatments, and the more lives we save. Join us in being the next frontier in predicting, diagnosing, and treating disease. Thank you so much for the opportunity to introduce you to MOBILion Systems Inc. If you need additional information, please contact me. I'm happy to talk to you about our business, the opportunity, the technology, and our upcoming Series A financing plan. Thank you. Cheers.